in this house is only when Mary will go and sell all those houses and bring the money down here. No, I don't want to talk. Mary, since she know all rights, since she know all rights my name for that property, Mary she go sell all your house, bring the money down here.
All out.
Bro, because now my money. Now my money, where did you take build this house?
Make I tell you something.
Ask somebody else.
I know.
Every month that even
Not
say
I won't ask again. Wait.
I cannot think of promise for gold.
Wait now, mama.
Let the whole world be able witness. The only thing I will say is
life. What is all this now?
Oga, mind yourself. The only thing I will say is let Mary go and sell that house and bring the money down here. If she wants me to forgive her. If she wants me to forgive you, if you want me to forgive you, sell us 2 properties and bring the money down here.
You said pastor your pastor.
Why you go tell her say me sell property? No, she
Pastor, she will sell it.
You know,
Your pastor has talked to you.
Okay.
It's not possible.
And you are
This
forgiving
is
her.
not. I can never forgive this girl.
But you said your pastor has talked.
You see this guy? My pastor talked to me. I didn't say it was my pastor. Never give her the chance to stay for this house. She's there for guess what?
Can't you forgive and forget now?
Bro, you don't understand.
I don't understand. You did tell me now, say she say her
If she really claims she loves me or she wants to stay with the husband, either she writes my name in that property or she sell it and bring the money here.
Lemon, behind any successful man, there must be a woman.
Okay,
Behind any
I've been successful. I've been successful before this goat came in.
Don't call her a goat, please.
I've been successful before this goat came in.
No.
Madam, mind yourself.
If because you be dog, why
Ma boo. Tó bá bú tiẹ̀ ló máa mú mọ́wọ́. Tó ń gbọ́kọ̀ tó sọ. Ó ní kókó ta ilé
Only possible like
Lemon, you are not like this. Okay. I know something is there.
Victor, hope everybody is watching this thing.
You don't need all this thing you are doing.
I feel like
You are
don't
not
my own.
you don't business us.
I don't talk
My
my
business all
own.
this thing where you do.
Okay, I don't talk my own.
If she say anything now,
In-law.
you go start to the
In-law, they hear me so.
I dey hear you.
They hear me so.
I dey hear you.
I don't talk my own.
I know say you don't talk am.
If
But what
this
you
guy
talk
truly
now?
wants me, no, I don't know where I know where they go. Don't frustrate me.
I know they frustrate.
I know where they go. If this guy claims say yes, I want to be your husband, or she truly love me, either she puts my name from that property, or she put our 2 names, or rather she sell that money, she sell that house and bring the money down to this house.
possible.
Because now through my money she dey build all those things.
You know, but nothing concern us.
Now through my money she dey build and to buy.
That's something I go settle between yourself now.
Settle.
You know
I cannot tell
You know you see the best thing for your
In-law,
life.
wait!
Why you don't put everything on live? Why?
In-law. I don't tell you say anything concern life, leave her.
It's 2 houses, so it's not one.
Many people bear me witness.
How much is your money?
Mary get me
I don't want to ask you all these things. Because you go be like I just put lemon.
Madam, you will leave my house.
Lemon.
You know if you leave any house.
Lemon. Please.
Madam,
You
you
know
will
if
leave
you
my
leave
house.
your house.
If
I don't want her to
you
see
are
anything.
sorry, you will succumb on what I'm telling
You
you.
know if you leave your
So
house.
she should come and sell the 2 houses.
Apart from I don't say, I told her something yesterday, right?
That's what.
She should put my name or
that
our
was
name
all
in that
coincidence.
house, in that land, in that property.
Madam, this
I don't talk my own.
And tell my son, so you respect him.
I don't talk my own.
Lemon.
You look me fit, I don't want to frustrate again.
She not be frustrate you.
I don't want to frustrate again.
Lemon, you don't need all this thing now. You're on live. Stop all this thing.
I don't care. She knows what she's doing.
See what you do.
Let me walk on frustrate again.
If he frustrates, be that.
Madam,
I
don't want the devil.
I beg you.
I don't want the devil tempt
See
me.
what you do to
We
me.
dey beg you, no
Oga,
one
I don't want the devil tempt me. Make this girl come up from my house.
your wife, she not sister house, I no fit give her respect. See the way they do.
Madam, you get respect for me.
You get respect for
You want me
my
to face
husband.
you. Madam, you get respect for me.
You get respect for my
She not
husband.
the
You get
best.
respect your
You
husband.
get
Yeah, why your sister didn't respect me?
which respect he no give you? Your
She will
own
give you
too much.
respect. Now, see what you do now. She don't even talk.
I
Oh,
beg,
no, don't
your
beg you,
own
beg
too
you, beg you, beg you,
That's
beg
the
you.
full
Bro,
Even your pastor talk to you according to what you
Why
what
you
you
say like
say.
that? Your own not too much.
Please,
Bro,
let's settle this thing.
don't be my pastor in the face to the face.
Yes, I know.
He can only talk to me. I respect and have me answer him.
Yes.
I accept me to stay for this house. If
Now your pastor still tell you say make they put all your this thing online.
Oh, God, don't ask me stupid question.
It don't happen be that.
You don't
Even
insult
my husband,
me.
I dey
I don't insult you. Don't ask me stupid
Men
question.
no ask you
I beg.
stupid question. Man, you don't see now. I don't say most of the people need respect. Only respect.
Tell your mama she call.
Because I share them if I power. Mariam, oh brother, táyé méjèèjì yẹn. Oh de gbọ́dọ̀ fowó kọ ẹ sí.
Ó ṣe máa tálé, ó tẹ̀lé fowó kọ ẹ sí bọ̀ pé kó tálé yẹn.
Ó gbọ́dọ̀ fowó kọ ẹ sí.
Ọkọ àtìyàwó ni
wọ́n. Ó gbọ́dọ̀ fowó kọ ẹ sí.
Ó lè fowó kọ ẹ sí bọ̀ pé kó tálé mi oníṣọ́bọ̀ ti yẹ.
Má ta kò yẹ má kọ kọ náà.
Mo ń sọ níwájú ẹ̀ kó máa gbọ́, I'm saying this in front of him now. It can't be possible.
Méjèèjì tó sọ kò lè
possible. No, ọ̀sẹ̀ impossible.
Mo like.
Decision wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀.
Ẹlẹ́bi sọ ọ̀sẹ̀, mo like ẹ̀sẹ̀. Àbúrò mi ni.
Mo ti gbọ́.
Ọmọ ìyá mi ni ọmọ bàbá mi ni. Tí ọjọ́ ti sọ̀rọ̀ ni màá pàṣẹ fún. Ṣó fẹ́ gbọ́ mi ò gbọ́dọ̀ ta ilé náà, ó dẹ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ fowó kọ́kọ́ ẹ̀ sí. Ìkọ́ tó bá fẹ́ ṣe mo fẹ́ mọ̀. Ẹsẹ̀ tó bá fẹ́ do ṣe bó mọ̀ yàn. As you tell no people like so me sef I tell no people. If you talk say be Igbo be over no wahala. Mo start the waka, if you waka, you go on.
Who don't know son of
You don't go catch it.
Who don't know son of
Yes.
Are you hearing it now?
Yes.
Are they hearing that from their mouth?
Yes, you get them.
Are they hearing from their mouth now?
Yes.
I told you this is about fetish. This is about evil. Are you hearing what she said?
Don't use that.
These people, you see my white people, they are evil.
I don't like that English you are using.
Many people are evil. They are fetish. You know what I'm saying, Kabi? Say me I don't stand them. I don't stand them, Abi.
Don't do anything, bro.
No problem.
Lemon. You are not God.
No problem. Let's when
I don't want to.
Let's I'm God.
When? If they come here, they come beg you.
Okay.
The condition where they give this woman or your woman, you don't do too much. Even this way they put on life now, people go start to insult yourself. Say it's like you don't want that progress. How will you say she should go and sell her 2 houses?
Why your daughter don't want her progress? You know how they start.
Now make me the thought say
who they found them before?
Now you.
Okay, good.
Behind every successful man, there must be a woman.
Why
you don't talk say she said she don't support you.
What did she support me for?
She don't support you.
Wait,
she never support you.
You never show me 10 naira before.
Who's 10 naira?
Master.
Somebody give money, now go chop him money.
Our prayer will work for you. If she don't give you money,
now
she dey pray for you.
Who they deceive you with all those talk?
How she go?
They pray.
My wife dey do am for me.
I they pray.
You dey pray.
Okay, I mean,
but your woman pray herself dey support you. I'm talking about support.
They pray for him to support them.
Yes, they support her. How can you say
this girl she's evil? There's no how.
Don't use evil. I don't like that.
That's the wish. Maybe I was 1 year.
That's the talk I'm saying. There's no how me and a woman will be in the house. And when would they close? When will they get problem? When would they okay? Would they fight?
Yes.
I need to get issue with this girl. Yeah, why she not tell me, say, babe, I am building a house? Is this a day they support them?
Wait.
Yes,
This way they talk now points. She can do a surprise for you.
Who's surprised?
And she never wait now.
Who's surprised?
Now because of saying something, there issue they happen. Now make the thing they be like this. Number two, be say because of say on again issue now, everything where you want to do. Anytime we just come here like this, you just put us on live. Why all these things?
Who's surprised? Oh God, yeah.
Okay, wait. If it even be like that, if the thing self be like that, why be all the time we just come here? If we don't beg you, we just say, oh yeah, put this in camera, put this in live, put on online. You don't need all these things.
I don't trust any of them. I know this.
You don't trust us. That's why they put on
I
online.
don't trust any of them now.
Okay, I beg. All that you self, you this way they do say, you know they support this ministry.
You will not try.
You won't let this thing.
My house today.
Yes, I know.
Oga, best sit down.
Lemon.
Oga, sit down.
You know say I made the begging before. Now you dey beg me now.
Oga, best sit down.
I don't hear. Oh yeah, off this camera.
Now off camera for waiting for what reason?
You know if you do simple something like this because everything that we just
for what
reason? Put us on live. Guy, you said you know what makes this guy marry. You know what makes you make him marry.
Now,
why is all this thing?
I am paying.
Why don't you advise him?
I am paying him and he's going to do
what I see shop, you go see open shop again, big shop.
No one.
Let's open big shop.
Yes, make post them again.
Otito.
You see, they are revealing their secrets. They are revealing their secrets now. They inside they reveal their secrets.
Okay.
So she did now. You're still a better person.
I didn't the way you say a fault. Because I should stay.
Oh,
I didn't see a fault.
You dey say you hear that you still a better person.
You don't talk anything. Now you
This
talk.
person a very na slow person, a snake be this.
You don't call him many names for here, not
Na
names.
snake be this.
Husband for
Now they are showing you never call him.
Na snake be this.
Now they are showing you never call him today. Continue be answer lady.
Oga. Names or no names. What I'm trying to say is she has given me a red flag. You understand? Number one, she do all those things. The one way paying pass on that house, she do one without my consent.
Lemon, you can build one with
Number two, no, chill.
That one can come the kitchen.
I don't talk say I no big
Yes, your own go pay.
Oga, listen to me. Oga, listen to me. I don't talk say I no big person. Number two, she bring divorce paper come, abi? Now she's a man bring them. Later for live video, she called it deny am.
You be man now. All these things don't pass now.
You did not deny. What did you say?
When did I deny that I brought divorce paper?
Who brought the divorce paper?
Am I not the one? When did
Then why did you deny it?
Why did you not
Who? Why is it? They tell me say na your people, na your mama they push you, abi? Na your people they push you.
How?
Oh, you're not changing your mouth. You're not changing your
I'm
mouth.
not changing my mouth. I
Mary, you're not changing your mouth.
They push you. You don't say they push her. Mary,
I
stop
never
picking
told you
me.
that I did not bring.
Mary, no be stop picking. Now they do in mind. They do with you.
Again, they doing evil mind.
Yes.
Not evil mind.
They doing evil
I don't
mind.
support her. Before I dey usually insult her. And I don't suppose to insult her.
I like the fact say in-law. I like the fact say you tell me say you don't know say she dey build house, but I no say no how now you go know or your wife will tell you. But this your woman here. This your woman said she dey evil.
Abi.
You don't insult my wife.
How long this your woman? Oh, I know what they talk. I don't fear anybody. How this your woman go not say in sister they build house. They do all this while which they do since. She don't come here. She don't take anything like that. She package them.
Now because of saying you post out and I make you
No.
I don't
Sweet
know
is
that
what
you
it
stop for life.
The girl thinks what they talk.
Yes.
I know the one that said to stop coming to your house.
You hear this one they talk.
You know how many of your brothers?
People were fighting.
Your brother
People she was.
I had that brother. You know talk good as
You not talk about no.
You know how many things where you
Hey!
You know talk how many more where you don't
Wait,
insult.
say my brother beats who?
You don't know when
Our senior brother. My own
My
brother.
brother Alex. My
Yes.
brother Alex
Yes.
was trying to
I was
defend. My brother Alex was trying to defend himself
Defend
from
what?
your brother that is a
no,
doubt.
no.
Mary, your brother is a doubt. Your brother na Agbero.
Okay, you
That's
don't
what
hear.
you be.
Now Agbero be your brother.
Please,
Please, everybody know this, you know. You dey see lie.
Two of us saw.
You dey see lie. Let me they put all this thing online. These people they can lie. They can twist things. They can twist things. They can lie. That's why I'm putting everything online.
What is all this now? You are a man.
I've been woman before.
Why do
I don't get breast.
Something like this now, you go put that
I
online.
can't leave that to
What you
you.
go put that online?
You
What
know,
you go put
make it
that
online.
You not be man, you be woman.
Make it online.
They do like woman.
Or they talk rubbish.
We dey talk rubbish.
And you say they talk nonsense.
Rubbish.
You
Let it
talk
come for the
nonsense.
mouth.
You come outside for your mouth.
Rubbish. Absolute rubbish.
You don't get
Oh, yeah,
Make it
it.
not provoke me. Oh.
You don't get
wait.
it.
Make her not provoke me.
See the way they come
Our
out and
baby.
talk for my
Our
presence.
baby.
Imagine.
I'm not gonna give you any because of this.
Inú yàrá ìwà wa.
Ọmọ Igbo, no
Àwọn tábà sọ́ọ̀sì ló máa ti mú. O tí àgbà gbọ̀ngàn tó sọ. Òun gbé mẹ́rin lọ kò ṣe pé bóyá òun náà gọ̀. Òun náà mọ bó ṣe ń rọra ṣe jẹ́ ká fi pẹ̀lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́ ṣe kó ba lè lójú.
Kò sí ẹ̀lẹ́ possible ni kò lè fowókọ náà.
Tí ó bá tẹ̀ wá ní possible, jẹ́ ká bẹ̀.
Èmi ò lè bẹ ẹyọ tó sọ̀rọ̀ sí ilẹ̀ fẹ́ bẹ èmi ò lè bẹ o.
Kí ni kí wá ṣe?
Èmi ọmọ yìí lè bẹ mi ò lè bẹ.
Nítorí tí ìṣẹ̀kùn fi ṣẹlẹ̀. Because of you, I leave my work. I can't beg you. If I don't enter like this, you go say make dem put us on live. If you don't enter, you say make dem leave us on live. You don't need all this thing now. Come on, we don't be settle something amicably within ourselves.
Èmi ò lè bẹ.
Organize the settlement we get. The people are not getting my one point, or I want me to get on our one point.
We dey get on point. Wetin you dey talk? No even.
Now
This life wey you dey put
back
as na you dey insult.
or that stop this way they do.
Oh yeah, I don hear. I wan hear you.
No, they act as if they don't understand what they talk.
I wan
Wait
understand.
till they try to talk be see. Now back thing for our name today for that property. Kill my wife.
Yes. That one na between una una go talk
That
am.
one
No be say you go come
You
put am
know
on
how many
live.
times I've told this girl? The last time she kept me quiet.
If you want to catch monkey, you go do like monkey. No, you dey use hard voice for her.
I did not use hard voice. Let the whole world bear me witness.
So you pet her.
When
Pet
I
her
told
to
her,
to
when I told her that stuff, we're talking very well. Immediately I told her that stuff, she switched. She changed pattern. She was not keeping me silent.
Okay.
It's obvious that she does not want me to be part of that property. But when I have 3 cars, you know that. 2 of them, they for her name.
Okay.
She said 1. I mean, she said 1. This house, when they collect this house, you also did for 1 name.
Okay.
There's so many properties that we don't want to call online. It's also in her name.
Okay.
Because of what? Stupid love.
Please off this
That's
camera
there.
first.
Okay, no, not leave camera. Would they talk that I see sister they come?
Yes.
Just say no, they see the camera.
And then all this way you
Hey,
dey talk
go
now.
respect yourself.
Na
Just say
something wey
this
be
camera.
say we suppose settle amicably. I like the way you dey talk now. But
Oga, no.
why camera?
Oga, no.
This camera dey vex me o. I
Oga,
no go
yes.
lie for you, yes.
Yes.
I dey hear.
So now there's so many properties that I have that we both have. Normal said, no born and when I she go collect. I don't say the property there for me and she did for my name. She not fit just go there like that. It got to be between two of us agreement.
Because you trust her now.
You understand? Yes. That was then, don't get me wrong. Okay. In-law, that was then. So right now, at this point, all I'm asking, despite the whole fact say she don't do all those things what she don't do, she don't humiliate me, she don't curse me, she don't embarrass me, disgrace. She don't turn me to a person where they talk. Who don't know me before? Who knows say, who go believe say that I this Lord of them one day now? Everybody they hear my voice. Everybody who don't know me. I'm a calm person. I don't need anybody to tell me say I'm lovely. I am lovely, bro. I'm a cool person. But you know when you don't do something for a human being and the human being can't switch. My brother, you don't know how that thing take painful.
I that's why I dey beg you.
You don't know how I am bittered.
Nothing concern us. All this come today, put the camera, come tomorrow, put the camera.
I make call you
We
call.
won't no be
Okay, I make call you call.
no be you. But I know
Say I dey inside, I know something I don't come here.
I don't want to make this
Say I
home
dey inside
scatter.
my room now.
Let
Yes,
me
say-
tell you,
I don't want to make this home scatter. And by the grace of God, you don't go scatter.
Oh,
As
yes, sir.
when I tell start from the beginning, that's what I'm telling that.
Oh,
You
this
go
one
sweet
dey
dey
talk. Victor,
go.
give my phone. All this one, I know what you guys
No,
are saying.
no,
All this one when they talk
this
now
way.
rubbish.
Please.
Now rubbish when they talk. Absolutely
Don't dey
rubbish.
They talk rubbish.
So what I'm trying to say, what are you telling me? I'm hearing you, madam.
All your properties that my name is written in. Remove it.
I should remove it.
Yes.
You see that you know what you're doing, madam.
Remove it.
Mary, you see that you know what you're doing.
I don't see. I don't want.
I'm going to end here.
Stressing.
I'm going to end here. I'm not going to say much thing, but I'm just going to end here. I don't want to see them again. I don't want to see them again.
Eh?
You hear me? So I don't want to see them again.
Eh?
And you are leaving my house. If you do not put that property in my name, or you sell it, you're leaving my house.
So God.
It's obvious that you have something. I'm not against your progress. But there's some progress that you did calling progress. Calling progress now you do. Better calling progress. Criminal acts. God will judge it.